If you're trying to decide between Plus500 and Pepperstone, you're not alone. Both platforms are well regarded in the trading world, but they're designed with very different types of traders in mind. Let's break down what each one offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can figure out which is the right fit for you. First up, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a CFD broker that's built around simplicity and accessibility. The platform is very intuitive, making it easy for beginners to get started without being overwhelmed. With Plus500, you can trade CFDs on forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, shares, and even cryptocurrencies. One of its highlights is the built-in risk management tools, including guaranteed stop-loss orders, which can give traders more control during volatile conditions. For anyone looking for a straightforward way to speculate on price movements across multiple markets, Plus500 is a solid option. But there are limitations. Plus500 is focused entirely on CFDs, so you never actually own the underlying assets. No dividends, no voting rights, and no long-term portfolio building. The platform also lacks advanced features like algorithmic trading, deep research tools, or the ability to integrate with professional platforms. In short, it's best for short-term traders who value simplicity over sophistication. Now let's turn to Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a broker that caters to more active and advanced traders, particularly in forex and CFDs. Instead of offering its own proprietary platform, it gives you access to industry-standard systems like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Trader. This means you get professional-grade charting, algorithmic trading capabilities, and advanced order types. Pepperstone is also known for its low spreads, fast execution, and ECN-style pricing, making it especially popular among scalpers and day traders. Where Pepperstone really shines is in flexibility and depth. You can run automated strategies, connect to third-party tools, and tailor your trading environment exactly how you want it. However, the trade-off is complexity. Pepperstone isn't as beginner-friendly as Plus500. The platforms it offers have steeper learning curves, and the sheer number of features can be overwhelming for someone who just wants to place simple trades. So which one should you choose? If you're new to trading or you want a clean, straightforward platform to speculate on different markets without worrying about advanced setups, Plus500 is the better fit. But if you're an experienced trader, or you're looking to grow into professional-level forex and CFD trading with low spreads, fast execution, and automation, Pepperstone is the platform that makes more sense. In short, Plus500 is for simplicity and accessibility, while Pepperstone is for depth, precision, and advanced trading strategies. Both are reputable brokers, but your choice really depends on whether you want an easy entry point or a professional-grade trading experience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.